2 major reasons why you should think about lightning rod protection. A single lightning strike can be a disaster for a business or community if it disrupts mission-critical operations. Fortunately, lightning-related disruptions and damage can be prevented by using technologies now available. A properly designed and integrated system of low resistance/low impedance facility grounding, potential equalization, and SPDs can effectively protect today's digital systems, while a structural lightning rod protection system protects the building that houses it. If you own a commercial property, here are 2 major reasons why you should think about lightning rod protection. Cost of property damage. Lightning fires in commercial properties cause an average of over $100 million in direct property damage annually, not including damage due to electrical or equipment malfunctions, non-fire related structural damage, or consequential damages. Additional risks include injury and death due to lightning strikes. Industrial and business facilities are exposed to operational breakdown and degradation, along with destruction of installations and assets. It's estimated that unplanned downtime generally leads to Fortune 1000 businesses paying an additional $2.5 million each year, much steeper than that of lightning rod protection system costs. Employee safety. Although it may often be overlooked as an occupational hazard, lightning poses a serious risk. 3 of the deaths reported in 2021 occurred on the job: a 60-year-old construction employee in Wisconsin, a 19-year-old roofer in Florida, and a 19-year-old lifeguard in New Jersey. Although fatalities are rare, it's critical that employers, supervisors, and employees understand the dangers of lightning and have a lightning safety plan. Supervisors and workers should know in advance where a worksite's safe shelters are and the time it takes to reach them. It only takes one strike to change your life forever. We boast of a very efficient workforce. Our personnel are responsible for installing all types of lightning rod protection and surge protection systems. We have all resources, materials, and the latest plant, machinery, and vehicle to work on any size project, large scale to a remote mountaintop. Our work progress and quality of workmanship are monitored regularly through various control and testing systems. Any time of the year in almost every country you can find LEC engineering and installation teams on the road traveling to customer sites for site surveys, installations and maintenance services. Contact information. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email info@lecglobal.com. Contact number 303-447-2828. Website https://www.lightningprotection.com/. Social media links https://www.facebook.com/lightningeliminators/https://twitter.com/lightningprotect https://www.linkedin.com/company/206536?TRKE=TIA https://www.youtube.com/user/lightning eliminators